This is a portable mini electric grinder, and these are all its accessories. I can call it a one-man army that can handle small, lightweight tasks. Look, this is the grinder, and along with it are its accessories, which make up a complete set. With it, you can perform a variety of tasks, such as grinding, polishing, engraving, mining, and drilling. This small box and its tools can do all these tasks. Let's continue and start by giving you all the details about this. First of all, let me show you. Here, you can see the brushes, and this is the cutter. We have been using this set for 5 years now. Look, here is the cutting blade. Besides that, it comes with a belt holder, brushes, metal brushes, and it's excellent for working on glass as well. You can use it for making holes in handicrafts. Then, look over here. There are stones for cutting, polishing, and grinding, so you can do a variety of tasks. In addition, there is a drill bit for making holes, and here are the chucks to hold these pins. Look, the chucks come in different sizes. Then over here, you can see the cutting blades, grinding belts, and the key. These are a few extra things that I bought separately. They don't come with the set, but can still be used with it. Next, look at these polishing pads, grinding wheels, and more cutting blades, which can all be used for different purposes. In the boxes, you can see emery papers, and in the next box, I'll show you some more emery papers, and there are quite a lot of them. You can use this paste along with the polishing pads, and here's another paste as well. This box also contains cutting wheels, very nice cutting wheels, and they are ideal for small, delicate work, especially for those who work with gold. It's a great tool for them. However, since most of our work is related to electronics, we use these for cutting in that area. These are also cutting wheels. And up ahead, we have emery papers in different sizes and numbers, some for polishing, some for cutting, and some for grinding. As you can see, the size here slightly increases. After this, let's look at all the functions of the grinder and its accessories. First, you get a grinder with an on-off switch, followed by a speed control. It also comes with a flexible extension rod, which is flexible, and I'll explain later how to use it. Along with this, you get a safety glass, which you can use as a safety measure while working. Now, let me show you the flexible extension that attaches to the grinder. See, this pin comes out, and I'll show you how to attach it. You can use it like this. First, take any pin or grinder and match it to the chuck. Then, tighten it with the pin, and after tightening, we'll explain how to use it. Look, first, press the button at the bottom. Now turn it slightly, and the machine will engage. See, it's engaged now. After pressing it, you can open it. See, it opens up. After opening, remove the chuck, and also loosen this nut. Then, reinstall the chuck by placing it back inside. After that, cover it again. See, now the pin is in place. After inserting the pin, tighten it with the key. See, now it's tightened properly. You can now use this pin for small tasks in tight spaces where the motor can't reach, and even your hand can go there. So, you can use this in such areas. Now, let me show you how it works. Look, we're going to start it now. To start it, press the button attached to it, and I'll show you how it cuts. Now, look at this safety glass. You can install the safety glass here. Take the safety glass and tighten the nut that comes with it. This is for the safety of your eyes, so if any part, such as a stone, breaks off during work, it won't fly toward your eyes. Now, let me explain the purpose of this device. Look, you can open it like this, and you'll see the numbering inside, which indicates the maximum and minimum depth for drilling holes. You can use this feature depending on how deep you need the hole to be. Let me show you how it works. You can move it up and down, adjusting it to the depth required for your task. Once you've set the bit, tighten it, and then secure the cover. You can adjust the depth of the hole you want to make by using the numbers. I'll show you how to do that. Based on the numbers, you can move it forward or backward, then tighten it. Once you start, the machine will stop at the set depth. No matter how many holes you drill, they will all be of the same depth. This nut is also very important. If you operate the machine without this nut in place, the machine could come apart into 2 pieces, so never use it without tightening the nut. This means that it's truly a one-man army for getting small tasks done, and you can make full use of it for various purposes. I hope you all will benefit greatly from this video. So, We'll meet again in another informative video. Keep watching Forever Tech. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.